The 6 best home remedies to relieve swollen legs. Since swelling of the legs can affect our quality of life, it is desirable to resort to different remedies to improve the condition and avoid problems of increased care. Most people have experienced, at least once, swelling and a feeling of heaviness in their legs. This is a very common symptom, which mainly affects women, and whose appearance is related to disorders such as fluid retention, stress, and circulatory problems. Sometimes it is accompanied by a strong tingling sensation, numbness, and walking difficulties. Since their lack of control can affect the quality of life, it is essential to pay attention to them and provide them with timely treatment. Fortunately, there are some natural remedies whose composition reduces inflammation and other symptoms associated with it. In this opportunity, we want to share the 6 best so you do not hesitate to try them in case this problem affects you. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that contribute to reducing the pain caused by swelling of the legs. Ingredients: half a cup of apple vinegar, 1.5 ml. 6 slices of apple. What do you have to do? Dip a clean cloth into apple vinegar and apply it to sore areas. Put on top of them a few slices of apple and let it brew for 2 minutes. After this time, remove the treatment and rinse with plenty of warm water. Repeat every night until the swelling is controlled. 2. Mint. The soothing properties of mint are great support in the treatment of problems affecting the legs. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of mint, 2 g. 1 liter of water. What do you have to do? Add the 2 tablespoons of mint in a liter of water and bring it to a boil for 1 minutes. After this time, apply it to the legs with the help of a soft cloth. Use it every night before going to sleep. 3. Water from Jamaica. Tea from Jamaica. Daily water consumption from Jamaica is one of the most effective ways to prevent and combat swollen legs. It is a drink with diuretic properties whose intake reduces edema, poor circulation, and accumulation of toxins. Ingredients: 6 flowers from Jamaica. 1 liter of water. What do you have to do? Add the Jamaican flowers in a liter of water, and bring it to a boil for 1 minutes. After the indicated time, remove it from the fire and wait for it to reach a bearable temperature for its consumption. Take up to 3 glasses a day. 4. Epsom salts. Baths with salts of Epsom are one of the classic remedies for deflating legs, feet, and ankles. This product relaxes the limbs, calms muscle tension, and stimulates blood circulation to balance inflammatory processes. Ingredients: half a cup of Epsom salts, 1.0 grams. Warm water, then necessary. What do you have to do? Add Epsom salts in plenty of warm water and immerse the legs for 1 minutes. Repeat the treatment every night, especially after a tiring day. 5. Aloe vera. The crystals contained in the aloe vera plant have multiple medicinal benefits both internally and externally. Its properties include its powerful anti-inflammatory action, which, after application, reduces pain and tension. It is also an excellent blood stimulator, which makes it good for lowering varicose veins and spider mites. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera, 3 g. 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 g. What do you have to do? Liquor aloe vera crystals with coconut oil and use the mixture to massage the legs for 1 minutes. Optionally, add a couple of tablespoons of the pulp into your juice or glass of water to take advantage of its properties internally. Repeat use until the health of the legs improves. 6. Horse chestnut. Horse chestnut is one of the most effective alternative treatments to reduce inflammation in the lower limbs of the body. Its extracts are anti-inflammatory, protect the arterial walls, and facilitate the removal of fluid retained in tissues. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon horse chestnut bark, 1 g. Half a cup of lavender oil, 1.0 grams. What do you have to do? Put the lavender oil in the Marie bath, add the horse chestnut and heat it 2 minutes over low heat so that they concentrate well. Then, when ready and at a bearable temperature, rub it over the desired areas by circular massage. Repeat use every day. As you can see, there are many natural ingredients that can help us relax our legs in the face of problems like swelling. However, keep in mind that relief is not always immediate and several applications are required to achieve this.